Okay everybody, today's workout is a hare tortoise 10. So that means a hare set is a max effort all out set. Then the tortoise sets that will follow it are 60% of whatever you got for that max effort hare set. Two exercises we're doing are push-ups and seesaw rows. I got 40 push-ups and 20 seesaw rows. 24 push-ups and 12 seesaw rows. You're gonna rest 1 minute after each set. So I'm gonna start off, I'm gonna do my max effort on my push-ups. So let's say it takes me about a minute to do 40 reps. I'm gonna rest a minute. Then I'm gonna do my max effort of my seesaw reps. Then I'm gonna rest a minute, and that's where then I'm starting the tortoise sets. The objective is to do them unbroken. Okay? Now, if you have to break them up, you gotta break them up, but you still gotta finish all your reps. As soon as you finish that last rep, start the clock and you begin again. So this is why overall the workout could take longer. First exercise is a seesaw row. I'm gonna show you just like this. Get your chest and butt out, lift the bells about an inch or two off the ground, and then seesaw roll them. Like so. Regular push-up. So I'm gonna just get in a push-up position here like so. Touch the chest, extend the arms fully,